On a square handkerchief, 9 circular designs, each of radius 7 cm are made. Find the area of the remaining portion of the handkerchief, that is, area where designs are not there. So these circular designs are having radius 7 cm, it is given to you. So if radius is 7 cm, the diameter of each of the circles will be 14. Now if you see, there are 3 circles on each side of the square. So if you add the diameters of all the 3 circles, you can get the side of the square. So side of the square will be 14 plus 14 plus 14, that is 42 centimeter. Once you get the side of the square, you can find the area, that is 42 into 42, 1764 centimeter square. Then area of one circle will be pi r square, where r is 7. And this area will be multiplied by 9 because there are 9 such designs. So area of the circular design will be 9 into 154. 154 is the area of one circle, then multiply it with 9. So 1368 centimeter square. So this is area of the square, this is area of the design. Area of the remaining portion will be area of square minus area of the design. That is 378 centimeter square. Now here the quadrant of a circle is given to you with center O and radius is 3.5 centimeter. This OD is given as 2 centimeter. You have to find the area of the entire quadrant and area of the shaded region. So for the entire quadrant, it will be pi r square by 4. Radius is already given to you as 3.5. You can convert it into fractions and do so, it will make the calculations easier. So that is coming as 77 by 8 centimeter square. That is area of the entire quadrant. Now for the next part, where you have to find only the shaded regions area, you will do area of the quadrant minus area of this triangle. So for that you have to find area of the triangle BOD. So that is half into base into height. Now base is OB, that is 7 by 2. Height is OD, that is 2 centimeters. So with that you will get area of the triangle as 7 by 2 centimeter square. So shaded region will be area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle, that is 77 by 8 minus 7 by 2, which is 49 by 8 centimeter square. The 13th problem, a quadrant is given to you, this quadrant, and inside that a square has been inscribed, that is OACB. This is the square. OA is equal to 20 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. So again, shaded region's area will be area of the quadrant minus area of the square. Now area of the square you can easily find out because side has been given to you as 20 centimeter. So side into side you can find area of the square. Now for finding area of the quadrant, you need angle and the radius. So angle is 90 degree because it's given it's a quadrant. Radius is what you have to find out. Radius is not given for the quadrant. So radius is nothing but the diagonal of this square. If you join OB, you will observe that it is touching the circumference of the circle. So OB is diagonal of the smaller square and which is also the radius for the quadrant. So if you know AB and OA, AB and OA will be same only because it's a square. So 20 and 20, you can find out the hypotenuse using Pythagoras theorem. So OB is equal to 20 square plus 20 square, square root of that. So 20 root 2 will be the diagonal. So once you know the radius, you can find area of the quadrant, pi r square by 4. So that is coming as 628 centimeter square. Area of the square is 20 into 20, that is 400 centimeter square. So area of the shaded region will be area of the quadrant minus area of the square. That is 628 minus 400, 228 centimeter square. So 14th problem, AB and CD are the arcs of two concentric circles. With radii, outer is given as 21 and inner radius is 7 centimeter. You have to find, also angle is given, AOB, find the area of the shaded region. So just like when you find area of the circular ring, you do outer circle's area minus inner circle's area. Here you are finding this shaded region, which is the outer sector's area minus inner sector's area. And since they are part of concentric circle, angle will remain same for both. So theta by 360 into pi, capital R square minus small r square when you subtract. Theta by 360 pi is common for both these. And capital R square minus small r square, capital R is 21, small r is 7. So here again you can use the identity a plus b into a minus b, and substituting all the values, you will get the answer as 308 by 3 centimeter square. So in this figure, ABC is the quadrant of a circle and radius is 14 centimeter. A semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. Find the area of the shaded region. So radius of the quadrant, that is AC and AB, this is given to you as 14. Using that, BC can be found out, that is diameter of the semicircle. By Pythagoras theorem, we will get BC is square root of 14 square plus 14 square, that is 14 root 2. This is the diameter. So radius will be half of that, that is 7 root 2 centimeter. Okay, this is the shaded region whose area you have to find out. So entire semicircle's area minus area of this segment will give you the shaded region. To find the segment, area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of triangle ABC, because it is right angle triangle, half into base into height, that is half into 14 into 14, 98 centimeter square. Area of the quadrant is 1/4 of pi r square, that comes out as 154 centimeter square. Then area of the semicircle, using 7 root 2 as the radius, you can find out half pi r square, that is also 154 centimeter square. Then area of the shaded region will be area of the semicircle minus area of the segment, that is 154 minus 154 minus 98. So final answer is 98 centimeter square. Calculate the area of the designed region in the figure, that is common between the two quadrants of the circles. Radius is given as 8 centimeters each. So this is one quadrant, this is another quadrant, and area of this design you have to find out. So first assume this quadrant. This design, if you divide into two parts like this, just join AC. This design is divided into two equal parts. Now these are two segments. One segment is formed with the help of this quadrant, another segment is formed with the help of the other quadrant. So if you can find area of any one segment, you can just double it and find the area of the design. So for finding area of this segment, you will do area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Triangle is again a right angle triangle. So triangle ABC's area you can find out easily, half into base into height, where base is also 8 and height is also 8. So that is half into 8 into 8, which is 32 centimeter square. This is area of the triangle. Then area of the quadrant. That also you can find out 1/4 of pi r square, radius is given to you. So you can find area of the quadrant. So area of the segment will be area of the sector minus area of the, that is area of the quadrant minus area of the triangle. When you subtract these two, that will give you area of one of the segments. But you will have to double that to find out area of the entire shaded region. So the final answer will be 256 by 7 centimeter square.